Today morning at 4 o'clock, we received a complaint from one person, Felix John Fernandez, who is the manager of 49 years bar and restaurant, which is at Kolwa, saying that the accused person Mubarak Khan has gone fired one gunshot at his restaurant, and he also threatened the security guards plus his staff. According to after registering the complaint, we arrested the accused Mubarak Khan at around 5:00 in the morning, and we will taken in custody and further investigation in progress.
सर ते फायर केली त्याची पिस्तूल किती मिळाला?
That will recover soon. We are arrested. Still, the motive is not to come forth. It is not from ground. It was on air.
तर पिस्तूल तुमको मिळाला?
No, अजून pistol not.
किती
No, that investigation will reveal out. History sheet also, that also the investigation reveal out.
मिकी म्हणटा पुलीस केस चिड्डूंक सोदतात.
तपासात म्हजी मागणी या हो जो हायस्ट रँक ऑफिसर हूँ इनवॉल्व हाशाब करपाक आनी दुसरी गोश्ट जेन्ना सकाळी वचून म्हाका ही CCTV फुटेज हांवें कलेक्ट केली मुकोडे आनी हांवें सगळ्यांक फॉरवर्ड केली तेन्ना PI वस त्या रेस्टॉरंट ओनराक धमकी दिता सांगता ही मिकी पाशिकाको कितको पावल काय म्हणून म्हणजे तूं हाशाब करून सोदताय.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.